DIY how to change the cabin filter. So open the glove box, rotate these two screws, you can remove them. This is the second one. Okay, then it will slide down. So just pull this one out, this side, and then this clip. So pull this one out. Okay, then now you have, just follow the down arrow. This one, air goes in, air goes down. Put in a new filter, then you're done. This one back. Ayan, pumasok. Okay. Then this clip on this side.